Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Welcome, survivors. In this video, I will explain how to play Op Retreat in Survivor. EO. This exciting new game mode offers unique challenges and a seasonal progression system. You begin each run with absolutely no equipment, gathering temporary gear and unlocking powerful talents as you advance. The difficulty ramps up over time, featuring periodic boss encounters and a shrinking evacuation zone, much like a battle royale. Your main goal is to escape with valuable loot. To succeed, prioritize movement speed to efficiently gather resources and dodge incoming attacks. Focus on evolving your core skills early in each run to maximize your damage against the increasing waves of monsters. Collect all temporary equipment and valuable items you find. These can be sold for retreat coins at your headquarters. Remember to lock your most valuable loot in the safe house to ensure you do not lose it if your escape attempt is unsuccessful. Choosing the right weapons and skills is crucial. The kunai is an excellent choice for its strong single-target boss damage, especially in the initial stages. For later, more challenging difficulties, consider the Sword of Disorder or Void Power for their superior area control. Essential skills like the Lightning Emitter, drones, and Molotov are highly effective for clearing large groups of enemies. Be aware that some skill evolution passives may differ in Op Retreat, so adapt your usual builds accordingly. For advanced progression, upgrade your retreat talents using the cards you collect. These provide permanent boosts to your stats. Efficiently farm lower difficulties to accumulate more talent cards and temporary equipment. Attack bosses as soon as they appear to maximize your farming time before the evacuation zone begins to shrink rapidly. Remember, all temporary equipment and talents will reset at the end of each season, so spend your retreat coins wisely in the exchange shop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.